Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B again. Please excuse the fact that I'm making multiple videos. My regular camera is broke and I have to move kind of fast with my cell phone because that's acting up as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smoked turkey wings out of the crock pot and place them into this bowl so that I can begin to let them cool down and shred. After that, once I wash my collard greens, scrub them clean, and I'm going to place them back into the smoked turkey wing broth. Okay, let's go. Remember guys, watch out for the steam because it's really, really hot. Okay. These are the smoked turkey wings. They should be more than done right now. And all of that broth is what the collard greens are going to cook in, as well as some of my other seasonings. So let me see how this is doing. Look at that. That's exactly what I'm looking for. All of this meat, I'm going to discard the skin and just shred the meat up so that I can add it to my collard greens once I put the egg rolls together. So just to give you another look. This is the outer skin of the turkey, and this is the super tender smoked turkey. And all of this will be wrapped in an egg roll with my seasoned collard greens. Okay guys, I just wanted you to see how tender they are. Oops. Whoops. I have the wrong tongs, but look at that. So it's just a matter of removing the skin, removing the bone, and just adding the meat to my bowl. Okay guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm going to allow this to cool down, and then I'm going to shred it, and then I'll be ready to make the collard greens. So you know what I'm about to say, guys. Once again, please excuse the fact that this is how I have to do the video. Okay? Bye, guys.